Bro, malam ini kita pantau dan jingok langsung titik-titik posko lebaran secara terpadu. Aku minuman untuk kawan-kawan kita lagi jago.
Oh no, think I did it again. And it kills me to see you like this, like this. Should've known from the moment we met. I'd rip your heart right out of your chest.